Who says looking sharp for work can't have a touch of vintage flair? Today, we're throwing it back to a time of sharp tailoring, clean lines, and timeless style with 10 vintage springtime work outfit ideas that'll have you channeling your inner Don Draper in no time. 1. The classic tweed. First up is the evergreen tweed. Perfect for those slightly chilly mornings, a fitted tweed blazer in earthy tones not only keeps you warm, but also adds an air of academia to your look. Pair it with light-colored chinos and finish with leather brogues for a look that says, scholarly with a side of spring. 2. The dapper denim. Who says denim isn't for the office? Layer a dark-wash denim jacket over a crisp white shirt and add a playful bow tie. Roll up those sleeves and you've got a casual yet dapper look that's perfect for casual Fridays or a creative workplace. 3. The suave suspenders. Bring back the roaring 20s with pinstripes and suspenders. This look is all about confidence. A pinstripe shirt paired with well-fitted trousers and suspenders, topped off with a fedora hat and round glasses, will have you looking like a modern-day Gatsby. 4. The bold blazer. Make a statement with color. A bold-colored blazer can transform your work attire from mundane to magnificent. Choose a vibrant hue that complements the season, like a fresh green or a bright blue. Add a pocket square for that extra touch of elegance. 5. The retro vest. The vest is back, gentlemen. A three-piece suit with a retro-patterned vest is the epitome of sophistication. It's a versatile piece that works just as well with the suit as it does on its own with a pair of slacks. 6. The seersucker standout. Nothing says spring like seersucker. This light blue seersucker suit is not only breathable but also stylish. Pair it with a crisp white shirt and a Panama hat for that perfect outdoor luncheon or a sunny day at the office. 7. The linen leader. Be the leader of the style pack with a beige linen suit. Ideal for warmer days, linen is both comfortable and chic. Complete the look with a pair of loafers and you're ready to sail through any workday with ease. 8. The pastel professional. Embrace the softer side of spring with pastels. A pastel pink blazer over a light gray vest and trousers creates a fresh and professional look. Add a matching tie to tie it all together, and you're set for success. 9. The herringbone hero. Channel your inner hero with herringbone. This classic pattern is a staple for any vintage enthusiast. Layer a herringbone coat over a navy turtleneck for a look that's both timeless and on trend. 10. The charming cardigan. For a charming and relaxed vibe, opt for a cardigan. Layer it over a patterned shirt and tie for a smart yet comfortable ensemble. It's the perfect outfit for those transitional days of spring. And there you have it, gents, 10 vintage springtime work outfits that will ensure you stand out this season. Remember, fashion is about expressing yourself, so take these ideas and make them your own. Until next time, keep it classy and stay dapper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more style inspiration.